Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restart the Print Spooler service in any Windows or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to proceed at the keyboard and press Windows key and R key together. And by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc. Again, type for services.msc. Once you have typed that, please proceed on clicking on OK and wait until a new window would appear, which is the services. Once you are here at the services, you would be able to see a list of service or system running here. All you need to do is you need to select any of the service and system, type P in your keyboard so that you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter P. So here, please proceed with Print Spooler. There you can see next to power, and you need to set the startup type into automatic first. So please do a right click, go with properties, and once you have clicked on properties, please proceed with startup type and set it into automatic. Once done, click on apply and click on OK. So all you need to do is you need to do a right click once again and click on start. Okay? So once you have start the service or system, there you would be able to see an option under Print Spooler, which is to stop the service and restart the service. And since we want to restart the service, all you need to do is you need to click on restart. And here you would be able to restart the Print Spooler. Okay? So there you have that. You have just successfully restart the Print Spooler service in your Windows or computer. So please close the window and restart your computer. So navigate here at the start icon, please click on it, go to the power menu options and go with restart. Okay? So that's it. That's how easy to restart the Print Spooler in your Windows or computer. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.